Namaskar and welcome back to my channel Sunny Fitness Planet. In the previous video of mine, I had shown you the first variation of breathing exercise, which was hand in and out breathing. And in this video, I am going to show you the second variation of breathing exercise, which is hand stretch breathing. To do this breathing exercise, we have to stand like this and hold our hands like this, finger crossed, palm close to chest, drop both your shoulder, not like this, and slowly start inhaling while stretching your arms in front of your chest, and with exhalation bring back your arm close to your chest. Slowly inhale and stretch both your arms in front of your chest, and with exhalation bring back your palms on your chest. For the better view, I am doing it sidewise. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. So this is the first variation of hand stretch breathing. In the second variation, we are going to perform the same with a different angle. The first variation with 90-degree angle. The second variation is 135-degree angle, for which again we have to stand like this, hold our hands like this close to your chest. Now inhale and push both our palms in front of our eyes and bring back with exhalation. Inhale, stretch your both palms in front of your eyes, and with exhalation bring back your arms. For a better view and for a better understanding, what I am doing is the sidewise. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. You have to repeat this process 10 times. I forgot to tell you that the first variation should be performed 10 times also, and so the second variation is. And the final variation of hand stretch breathing is 180-degree, which is just above the head. You have to stand like this, slowly inhale and stretch your both arms above your head, and with exhalation bring back your arms, palms to the chest. Inhale up and exhale down. For the better view, I am doing it the side way. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. As compared to the previous variations, you have to do it 10 times also. And remember, it is a breathing exercise, so you have to be very calm and composed. You cannot do it in speedy mode. You have to do it in the slowest possible way, slowest possible move. And hope you like this video. Please subscribe, share and like, and leave your valuable comments. And I will be back with the third variation of breathing exercise in my next video. Till then, namaskar and bye.